Welcome to the Windows Computer and Technology channel, and I have a little rant here at Microsoft Edge, and the reason I'll have a rant, so, we have seen and we see that Google Chrome dominates the browsers. It's 70% even more of the browsers out there, and it doesn't really budge, it doesn't change, it doesn't lower, it just maintains itself there. And you're wondering because there's a big offering of browsers of all kinds, from Brave, which is very, kind of privacy and security oriented, to even Firefox trying to do so also. And we have Microsoft Edge, which, today I would say if there's one that could maybe do something to compete, Microsoft Edge might be one. And it was sad. It's sad actually because Microsoft Edge, when it became Chromium, the decision is good because obviously it puts the browser in its a more mainstream browser that has the same engine as everybody else. I'm not saying it's a good thing that there's just one engine, but for Microsoft Edge, the rebuild was good. The problem with Microsoft Edge as we're moving on is the add of two things that aren't helping. First, a lot of crap that might not be necessary to have. I've seen Microsoft Edge, telling me that there's coupons available for anything I want to buy on websites and things like that. And I actually applied coupons sometimes, and it made me save some money. Yes, I understand, but it shouldn't be on by default. It shouldn't be there. It should be one of the things of, well, if you want to try it, it's available. I feel like Microsoft Edge is missing the boat of being one of the great browsers out there by adding too much fluff to it. The other thing that I am a little scared, Microsoft has been, very focused on energy efficiency. You see it in Windows updates. It tells you, that they're trying to have Windows Update as efficient for, emissions and blah, blah, blah. And of course, Edge for the same thing with the sleeping tabs and all of that. But it has a price. It seems like Edge is slower than it was. It seems like it's bogging down. There's something that they're doing with Edge right now that's just not going in the right direction. And I mean, if you want to have a competition to Chrome, you have to have something that is good, that is easy to use, that doesn't have too much fluff on it. And Edge is exactly going in the opposite direction for that. And I find that sad because it started out as a great idea. It's going in a wrong direction. I think the focus of the Microsoft Edge team is just not right now. It was good at the beginning, and it just changed over time. So I just wish that that could be reversed in some way, because how will you ever beat Google Chrome? Right now, nothing beats Google Chrome. I know you guys have a preference. I know some of you use Brave, some of you use, Opera or Firefox, and you might say, well, that's the option. The problem is the option for the majority of people needs to be easy option that isn't something that's going to mess up and make it more difficult for them to use whatever they want. And that's why people are on Chrome. They don't want to change. Chrome does what they want, and they're used to it. Edge could have been that and better, and add the privacy-focused features that it wanted to add to make it even better than Chrome. So I don't know. I find it sad that Edge isn't going in the right direction right now. And hopefully Microsoft Edge team can change that. If you enjoy my videos, please subscribe, give us thumbs up. Thank you for watching.